And action.
Yeah, good turnout.
Yeah.
Cops are cool. Need to worry about anything.
Yeah, well, I mean, like this. On the
Oh
other
shit,
hand,
White
I mean,
Claw, chilling with White Claw.
Hold on. White Law, first off. All right. Second off, yeah, pretty good turnout, man. Car looks beautiful as always. GTRs, the Challengers,
Yeah, good turnout tonight. As long as the cops don't give us a hard time. You guys gotta check him out on his build too, on his CRX, and his Instagram is
MWiz18.
check out all the scat packs, Chargers, Hellcat. They all lined up right here, guys. Bunch of Challenger, SRT, you name it. So the yellow one is
That's
your friend?
Honeybee.
And this one is yours?
92.
This one's yours? Oh, both Challengers. Gotcha.
What are you running?
I have my NSX, the gray one. This is my buddy Landon with the McLaren. Yo!
Okay for once.
What's up, guys?
They're playing with the cops.
Look at that.
I didn't even ask you that.
Go for it. Get your shots, yeah. Team Mansion.
Dude, I was on
Anton.
his IG. Was
Team Mansion, bro.
Team Mansion. Go ahead and follow them. You know where they're at.
The whole time I wasn't in any fucking photos. Somehow I get tagged. I just brought my truck that night to hide it in.
Yeah.
Sancho's like,
I was like, yeah, let me not bring the car.
dude, main scene, me walking through the door, and like, of course, that's what KCRA rolled. It's me and my girl walking through the door. I'm
The
like,
best is it was a video on like of their clip, and it's like,
Same thing with Bitcoin. You told
And we have Anton here. You guys got to catch him on his
We over
podcast.
here. Yeah, what's up? You can find me on my podcast at Bigger Better Podcast. Check us out.
Check him
I'd
out.
appreciate it. And so it could be something good that happens in the car community, something bad, but some like short little story, and then we're gonna put it on the podcast. And of course we'll talk.
Podcast, you guys. That's our next thing. We're
Bigger,
going
better
to be
podcast.
talking about the car
We're
community
almost 50
with all the
episodes
car meets that's going on, Cars and Coffee, with all different types of events, whether it's
He sent me a whole
toy drive,
spreadsheet. I was
there's,
like,
canned
I
food
appreciate
drive,
that, bro.
There's
You got 60
all kinds of
episodes.
donations that's going on with the car community and car shows and stuff like that.
A couple times.
So that's what we're going to be talking about in the podcast.
Everything except for politics. That's what we talk about.
That's right. What's up, guys?
launch us off.
What's up, James?
How's it?
Hey, Davina.
How you doing? I'm good.
So, hey, I got some decals for you guys. I haven't seen you guys for a while. And
What's
you
this? Oh,
Team Mansion,
Oh,
guys.
The mansion we
Team
didn't get any
Mansion. And I got a couple guys here getting some photos of the Z, 370Z. This is James M3. He did some weight reduction to it. Took out all the interior. You guys got to check it out. There's no passenger seats. Check it out. Look at that. And nothing in the back. At least over 200 pounds has been taken out. The last time he ran it was like 10.5, but he's trying to get a better time with the weight reduction. If he can hit 10 flat, 10.1, he'd be insane on his M3. But it's gonna happen tomorrow with the M3 here. His best time was 10.5. James here's the owner of the car.
I'll be happy to be 10-2.
10.1, 10.2?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's tomorrow.
Are these aftermarket too?
James, text me, let me know. Put in the group chat. Hey guys, we got Evan's new car, a 2020 STI. Paid almost $40,000 for it, and it's not gonna do too much to it. He's gonna leave it the way it is. And this is the owner. He's gonna be getting his driver's license next month.
Yep.
And all the way from El Dorado Hills. You'll be seeing him out there. 16 years old. Hasn't got his driver's license yet, but his new car. Thanks to your dad. Hooked you up. Very nice. Yes. Evan would be driving this STI, but there's times when he doesn't want to drive the STI. He's going to drive his dad's R8 or the green Gallardo. The green Lambo.
Go Speedy.
There you go. Alright, you guys seen some of the cars out here, and we still got cops out here. They're trying to enforce everything, making sure that no one's doing donuts or burning outs. Burnouts. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna be ending the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace.